Good morning, everyone. So, today we are going to start with the lecture number 2 of the same chapter, The Only Son. This chapter I explained you in the previous class. So, today we are going to discuss the word meanings, the question answers, and the book exercise of this chapter. This is basically the lecture number 2 of the same chapter, The Only Son, from your book Together with Essence. Let us proceed. So the topics which we are going to cover in this lecture are, we are going to discuss the word meanings, then the question answers, then the book exercise. Okay. So let's start. These are the word meanings. First is discipline. Discipline means anusashan. To be in discipline, anusashan mein rehna. Then it is steroids. Steroids means rat. Means rat. Then it is trouble. Trouble means musibat. Mythical means prona. It is pura. Sorry, Puranic. It is Puranic. Puranic basically means the traditional one, the old one. And it is bored. Bored means उपजाना, किसी चीज से बोर हो जाना. Responsibility, जिम्मेदारी. And it is generate. Generate means पैदा करना, to generate electricity. Temperature. Temperature means तापमान. Produced, प्रस्तुत करा. प्रस्तुत करा. Melt. Melt means पिघला या पिघलना. Sorry, melted, पिघला. Melt, पिघलना. Scorched. Scorched means जलाया हुआ. All trees got scorched when the temperature of the sun increases. Fine. Next is aghast. Aghast means hakka bakka, to be surprised. Notoriety. Notoriety means badnami. Notoriety means badnami. Interfere, dakhal dena. Expert, vishesh. Expert means visheshagya. Then it is archer. Archer means dhanu rashi, the one who uses bow and arrow to kill someone. And it is destroy, nasht. Destroy means nasht karna. Evil. Evil means dusht. Evil means dusht. Evil soul, dusht atma. Hesitant. Hesitant means हिचकिचाने वाला, the person who hesitate. जो हिचकिचाता है उसको hesitant बोलते हैं. Survive. Survive means बना रहा, means जीवित रहना, to survive. Flattered. Flattered means कमजोर पड़ा, to become weaker. Mistake means गलती. Fine. So this was all about word meanings. You need to learn them and write it in your English notebook. Next is question answers. These are the question. First you need to answer it on your own. First part is complete the following sentences by choosing the correct option. Fine. The god and goddesses travel on dash across the sky. They used to travel on chariot. It is chariot means rath. Dash was an expert archer. Ho Yi was an expert archer. Shiho was the dash. Shiho was the, who was Shiho? Shiho was basically the solar goddess. Was the solar goddess. Daijun commands to destroy the evil souls. The 10 sons, the evil souls. Fine. Now the next is B part. You can do this question in your English notebook only with pencil, but not with pen. Next question is answer the following question. First is, what did the children of the god and goddesses do for recreation? अपने आप को recreate करने के लिए वो क्या करते थे? Sorry. What they used to do? क्या किया करते थे वो अपने आप को recreate करने के लिए? They used to play. They used to jump here and there. So the children were naughty. Because the children were naughty and fight with each other and put themselves in trouble also. Fine. Now next is, why was Shisho's son want to run across the sky? Why do they want to run across the sky? Wanted to run across the sky to play. They wanted to run across the sky to play. Next is, what happened when the suns produced huge amount of heat? क्या हुआ था जब सूरज ने बहुत ज़्यादा रोशनी प्रोड्यूस की? So what happened? The temperature of the space, जो temperature था, तापमान था of the space and all heavenly bodies began to increase. The temperature got increased. Fine. The tiny stars melted and the river started to dry up and the trees over there got burnt. They all got burnt. Fine. Next question is, what made Diogen angry? Angry. क्यों गुस्सा आया था Diogen को? Diogen was angry at the naughtiness of the 10 sons. He was angry because of the naughtiness of the 10 sons. Why was Hui called by Diogen? Why was he called? To kill the evil souls, those 10 sons. Hui, the expert archer, was called to destroy the evil souls. That is 10 sons. How did the 10th son survive? What lesson did he learn? So how the last son got survive and what had he learned? The 10th son was hiding behind the Shiho and was saved from his arrow. And what lesson did he learn? He learned that he will not make that mistake again in the future. Fine. So let us see the answers now. See, these are the answers. The children were naughty and fight with each other and trouble each other. Fine. Shiho sons wanted to run across the sky to play. The temperature of the space and all heavenly bodies began to increase. Fine. Tiny stars melted and the river started to dry up. Diogen was angry at naughtiness of 10 sons. Hui, why was he called? The expert archer was called to destroy the evil souls, that is 10 sons. The 10th son was hiding behind Shiho and was saved from his arrow. He was saved from his arrow. And what lesson did he learn? Over here it will be he. He thought of never making a mistake ever. This was the lesson that he learned. I hope you have understood the question answers. So you need to write all these question answers in your Fair English notebook. Next is C part. Explain with the reference to the context. Now the statement is given. 3 statements are there. You need to explain them with the reference to the chapter what you have learned. So first is, the huge amount of heat that they produce made tiny stars melt. The 10 sons were very naughty and thought of a mischief. Mischief means shararat, to generate a huge amount of heat. Fine. So those 10 sons thought of generating heat. It made the tiny stars melt and temperature increased. In this way, the tiny stars melted and the temperature increased. Next is, the gods and goddesses often called Hui. Why they called? The children, 10 sons, were naughty. And the god and goddesses often called Hui to discipline their son. उनको अनुशासन में रखने के लिए वो Hui को बुलाते थे. Last is, Hui was hesitant. Why was he hesitant? क्यों हिचकिचाता था वो? When Diogen ordered Hui to destroy the sons with his arrows. Later he hesitated as he knew the power of his arrows, but he could not deny Diogen's order and kill 9 sons by shooting arrows at them. So he could not deny his order. So he has to kill and he killed. But before that he was hesitant. Okay. Now come on to the word smart. Next page. It is word smart. Listen to me very carefully as these are all new for you. First is, write the correct term against the given. These are the definition of few words. You need to write the correct answers. Fine. First is, rocky or metallic object, most of which orbit the sun in the belt between the Mars and Jupiter. They are in between the belt of the Mars and Jupiter. That is known as asteroid. That is known as asteroid. Second is, the study of objects and matter outside the Earth atmosphere. The study of object and matter outside the Earth's atmosphere and of their physical and the chemical property. That is known as, the definition of that is astronomy. Astronomy is basically known as the study of object and matter outside the Earth atmosphere. Next is the first minor planet discovered. It was discovered, what was the name? Ceres, Ceres. Next is fourth, the group of stars that represent various objects or mythical beings. The group of stars is basically known as constellation. It is known as constellation. A large collection of stars, dust and gas in space, a system of millions, billions of stars held together by gravitation. What is known as that? That is known as galaxy. That is known as galaxy. The colors you see when white light is split apart. When white light gets split into 7 colors, it is known as spectrum. It is known as spectrum. A closed path that an object takes as it revolves around another body. There is a closed path when object takes and it revolves around another body. That is known as orbit. The orbit is the last. I am repeating once again. First is asteroid, then astronomy, then it is Ceres, then it is constellation, group of stars, then it is galaxy, then it is spectrum, when one white light split into 7 colors, then last is orbit. Okay, you have to do it with a pencil. Next question is, it is very interesting. Look up these words in the dictionary. You have to find these words in the dictionary. You will find the synonym. Synonym means the same word. Synonym means the same meaning. And antonym means the opposites of the words are given after the definition in some of well-known dictionaries. Write their synonym. Now you have to write the synonyms of these 10 words. Fine. First is critical. क्रिटिकल मीन्स जब कोई सिचुएशन क्रिटिकल हो जाती है, मीन्स जब जिसको हम हैंडल नहीं कर पाते, दैट इज बेसिकली नोन एज जजमेंटल. इट इज नोन एज जजमेंटल. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज मेंड. मेंड मीन्स किसी चीज को मोल्ड कर देना. टू रिपेयर. इट इज टू रिपेयर. रश्ड. रश्ड मीन्स भागना, भागा, किसी चीज के पीछे भागा, मीन्स बहुत जल्दी जल्दी हर चीज करना. दैट इज हरिड. रश्ड synonym is hurried. Next is hesitant. I already told you the person who hesitate to speak something. Hesitant. Hesitant synonym means unsure. When the person is unsure, जब वो sure नहीं है तभी तो वो hesitate होता है. Next is survive. Survive means जीवित रहना. And it synonym is to continue life. Continue life. And it is hide. Hide means टू कीप आउट ऑफ द साइट. किसी की नज़रों से बचना, मतलब नज़रों से बचना, अपने आप को हाइड कर लेना. नेक्स्ट इज कमांड. कमांड ऑर्डर. कैन से ऑर्डर और टू डायरेक्ट. नेक्स्ट इज बिलीव. बिलीव मीन्स तो किसी में विश्वास करना. टू हैव कॉन्फिडेंस. इस चीज़ पे कॉन्फिडेंस होना, तभी बिलीव करेंगे ना. नेक्स्ट इज ऑफन. ऑफन मीन्स मेनी टाइम्स. डिस्ट्रॉय, नष्ट करना. टू फिनिश ऑफ. टू फिनिश ऑफ. Now these are the answers of these these are the answers of that word smart, and these are the answers of dictionary focus. Okay, you can check your answers from here after doing them. Now let us move on to the next part. These are few phrases. What do you mean by phrases? Phrases are the words that are incomplete sentences. Phrases are basically incomplete sentences. They are basically incomplete sentences. Like if I say bread and butter, is it any sentence? No, it's an incomplete sentence. Bread and butter is an incomplete sentence. Fine. Curry rice, again incomplete. So you need to, they are known as phrases. They are known as phrases. Now look over here. In the poem, the poet says their playtime. देयर प्ले टाइम, उनका खेलने का समय है. इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग, मतलब वो ये नहीं बोलता द टाइम व्हेन दे प्ले, जब वो खेलते हैं. हाँ, उनका खेलने का समय और जब वो खेलते हैं. First is phrase, their play time, the time when they play. This is a sentence. Or there is one more example, an unacceptable crime. Instead of saying, वो बोलता है unacceptable crime बोलता है poet, जबकि उसको क्या बोलना था, a crime which is not acceptable. Fine. So in the same way, write 3-word phrase. Now you have to write 3-word phrase. Phrase I have already told you, which is an incomplete sentence. Of the following words, use the words from this box for the phrase above only if you need help. Now first is a street that is covered with dirt. That is known as a dirty street. क्या बोलेंगे उससे? A dirty street. Second is a class that makes a lot of noise. A class that makes a lot of noise is a noisy class. A noisy class. Next is a day which is full of peace. A peaceful day. It can be a peaceful day. Next is a story that is full of interest. A story that is full of interest. An interesting story. Simple. Next is a sky which has no clouds. A cloudless sky. Bina sky ke. Bina clouds ke, that will be cloudless sky. A box that has nothing in it. A box that has nothing in it. It will be an empty box. An empty box. Next is a girl who is liked by all. A girl who is liked by all will be a popular girl. She will be a popular girl. Next is the parents who love their children. The parents who love their children will be loving parents. They will be called as loving parents. A gift which is of great value. It will a gift which is of great value. That will be a valuable gift. It will be a valuable gift. Next is a dress that is made of wool. A dress that is made of wool. It will be a woolen dress. It will be a woolen dress. Understood? So there are the answers. You can check your answers from here. Fine, you all can check your answers from here. So now let us move on to the next part. There in your book, on the page number, let me tell you one thing. There is a question of listen a while. Listen a while and write a while. There are 2 questions which are left in this book exercise that I am going to discuss later on. First is listen a while. In listen a while, there is a listen to the recording and answer the following questions. So there is basically no recording. Fine, recording is not there with us, so we cannot do this part. This part will be left. I am going to consult for this part. And the next is, it is write a while. The last part is on page number 19. It is given write a while. That we will do in the next. Fine. In the next lecture, we will do that. I will discuss with you. You can just read it once in your book that is given on page number 19. In the chapter, you learned about the naughty and indisciplined children. Fine. You learned about those 10 sons who had to lose their लाइफ बिकॉज ऑफ देयर मिस्टेक. उन्होंने अपनी जिंदगी खो दी अपनी गलती की वजह से. दे डिड नॉट इवन लिसन टू देयर मदर. अपनी ममा की भी नहीं सुनते थे वो. द रिजल्ट वॉज डिवास्ट्रेटिंग. बहुत ही डिवास्ट्रेटिंग रिजल्ट था. हाउ इम्पॉर्टेंट इट इज टू लिसन टू आवर पेरेंट्स एंड एल्डर. यू ऑल नो दैट इट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू लिसन टू आवर पेरेंट्स एंड एल्डर्स. Write a short speech to speak it on the Parents' Day. So you need to write the speech, means basically you need to write the way you write speech at the time of any program like sports day. Fine, in this way you need to write the speech, and you need to speak means the topic of the speech will be that should we listen to our parents or not. Fine, this will be the topic and you need to frame the speech and you have to speak it on the Parents' Day. So some tips are also given for the speech. They are more experienced, means the parents are more experienced. We should listen to them. They can see what we cannot. Means parents can see what is right, what is wrong, but we cannot. They understand what is good and what is bad for us. That is very right. They know what mistake their children can make, as they themselves have gone through. They had also gone through this age. Means they had already experienced the age which we are going to experience. So we should listen to our parents. This is my favor, and you need to write this paragraph. This part I will be explaining you once again in the another lecture. So you have to complete the book exercise till page number 1818. Fine. I hope you all have understood the word meanings, the question answers, and the book exercise part you need to do. So that's all for this lecture number 2. Thank you.